All right, we got some elevator here in the springs in this garage. I think this is the Atrium, it's called. It's out in this huge garage. There's the First Bank building over there that has those Otis modded to TK Agile. And over there's the Antlers Hotel that has modded Dover. And way over there is the Wells Fargo building that has Montgomery Tractions. And here it is. It is a Montgomery, has the logo down there. Huh. P3? Phone, ADA compliant, and a fork in there. And some butts, ew. Somebody's been smoking in here. Let's go up to 2. Or more. Interesting. I don't even know where this is. Oh, look, this used to be an old Montgomery. Anyway, that's it.